Welcome, in front of me is a Essentiel B Wooze, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's go into the settings, and from here scroll down to storage. So right here, tap on your SD card at the bottom, and then once you're in there, 3 dots, and then settings, where you will find format option. Just tap on that. That will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it. So if there is something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, but assuming you have done that or you don't want to keep it, tap on erase and format. The process will begin. It only takes a couple seconds, and once it's finished, as it should be right about now, there we go, the card is immediately ready to be used. So click on done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.